Hey there, welcome back to TechNicaL 5G. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, the Redmi 12 5G. I've been using this device for a while, and I'm here to give you a comprehensive review. Let's dive right in. Starting off with the design, the Redmi 12 5G sports a sleek and modern look. The jade black, moonstone silver and pastel blue back panel catches the light beautifully, giving it a premium vibe. The build quality feels sturdy in hand, and the placement of buttons and ports is ergonomic. The Redmi 12 5G boasts a 6.79-inch Full HD plus 90Hz LCD display. Colors are vibrant, and the brightness levels are impressive, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or playing graphics-intensive games, the visuals are crisp and enjoyable. Under the hood, this device is powered by the India's first 4nm Snapdragon 4 General 2 paired with 4GB RAM 128GB RAM, 6GB RAM 128GB RAM and even 8GB RAM 256GB of RAM. Day-to-day tasks like scrolling through apps, multitasking, and browsing are a breeze. Even with heavy apps and games, the Redmi 12 5G holds its ground without noticeable lag. Let's talk about the camera setup. The Redmi 12 5G packs a 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP macro and 8MP front camera. The results are surprisingly good. The main camera captures sharp and detailed shots, while the ultra-wide lens is perfect for scenic landscapes. Low-light performance is decent, though a bit of noise creeps in. When it comes to battery life, the 5000 mAh battery in the Redmi 12 5G keeps you going throughout the day. With moderate usage, I consistently got around 1.5 days of screen on time. And the best part? The 18-watt fast charging support juices up your device in no time. On the software front, the device runs MIUI 14 based on Android 13. It's feature-rich and customizable, but do keep in mind that it comes with a fair share of pre-installed apps. If you're a fan of customization, you'll definitely find something to love here. So, is the Redmi 12 5G worth it? Absolutely. It's a well-rounded device that offers a stunning display, capable performance, and a camera setup that delivers in various scenarios. Of course, it's not without its minor drawbacks, but for its price range, it's definitely a strong contender. And that wraps up my review of the Redmi 12 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to TechNicaL 5G, and I'll catch you in the next one.